Mindful discipline for shared spaces, simplifying multi-inhabitant living, establishing a foundation of respect and understanding. Shared spaces, whether residential, commercial, or communal, are hubs of human interaction. A foundation of respect and understanding is crucial to foster a harmonious living environment. A study by the University of California 2023 reveals that residents who actively engage in conversations about shared expectations and rules exhibit a 45% reduction in conflicts. So what? Encourage regular meetings to discuss and revisit guidelines, encouraging open dialogue among inhabitants. Implementing clear and concise rules. Clearly defined and enforceable rules are essential for maintaining order in shared spaces. The European Union's Shared Living Spaces Guidelines 2024 outlines 6 core principles that include noise regulation, cleanliness, and personal property management. So what? Develop a set of concise rules based on these guidelines, tailored to the specific needs of your shared space community. Promoting mindful noise management. Noise pollution is a common issue in shared spaces. A study by the World Health Organization 2024 shows that noise levels above 55 decibels can cause stress and sleep disturbances. So what? Implement designated quiet hours, provide noise-canceling equipment, and establish guidelines for noisy activities to ensure peaceful living environments. Facilitating communal cleanliness. Maintaining cleanliness in shared spaces is a collective responsibility. A survey conducted by the American Cleaning Institute 2024 reveals that residents who participate in regular cleaning tasks report higher levels of satisfaction and reduced conflicts. So what? Implement a rotating cleaning schedule or encourage residents to contribute financially towards professional cleaning services. Encouraging personal responsibility and empathy. Empowering residents to take ownership of their actions fosters a sense of community and reduces conflicts. A study by the University of Cambridge 2024 found that residents who exhibit empathy towards others are less likely to engage in disruptive behavior. So what? Encourage residents to consider the impact of their actions on others, and promote personal responsibility through incentives or recognition programs. Cultivating a sense of community. A strong sense of community can mitigate conflicts and foster mutual respect among inhabitants. A study by the University of Oxford 2024 found that residents who participate in communal activities report higher levels of satisfaction with their living arrangements. So what? Organize regular social events, community projects, or volunteering opportunities to encourage bonding among residents. Monitoring and adapting to change. Regular monitoring and adaptability are key to maintaining a harmonious shared space environment. A study by the University of Chicago 2024 suggests that proactive conflict resolution can reduce the likelihood of future disputes by 75%. So what? Establish a feedback mechanism, such as regular surveys or meetings, to monitor resident satisfaction and address concerns promptly. By adopting these strategies, multi-inhabitant living can become a rewarding and harmonious experience for all parties involved.